Are you sick of leaving harsh lines in your fades that you can't blend out? In this video, I'm giving you my foolproof barber technique in a simple, step-by-step process any beginner can master. I see new barbers struggle with two things: getting a blurry fade without steps and cutting waves without destroying the pattern. The problem isn't your talent, it's your system. Today, I'm giving you the pro-level system that solves those problems. We'll prep the hair, create and erase guidelines, and finish with a razor-sharp lineup that makes the waves pop. Part 1, the preparation. You can't create a masterpiece on a messy canvas, so we start by prepping the hair. Lightly spray with water and comb in the direction of growth. This shows you how the hair lays, which is key for the fade and the waves. Now, we debulk the top. Don't cut the top too short. That's a huge mistake with waves. Part 2, the system, fading for beginners. Step 1, the first guideline. This is the most important step. Using my trimmers, I'm setting in my initial ball guideline. This is your foundation, so make it clean and even. I'm starting this as a mid-fade, creating the line from the temple and dropping it slightly toward the back. A clean start makes everything easier. Step 2, the fade-up system. Now the secret to blending, lever play. I'm starting with my clipper lever all the way open, a half guard, and making my next guideline about a finger's width up. To blend that line out, close the lever and hit the very bottom of the line. Then open the lever a little and move up, then open it all the way to blend into the top of the section. That's the close to open method. If this lever play technique just saved you hours of frustration, do me a favor and smash that like button right now. It lets me know you want more secrets like this. Now, let's get back to the blend. Step 3, detailing the blend. Still see little dark spots? That's normal. To fix this, use just the corner of your clipper to pick at those spots without creating a new line. Keep brushing the hair away and step back to look at your work. This helps you see the fade as a whole. Part 3, finishing with waves. Step 4, the lineup. A blurry fade needs a sharp lineup. Pro tip, always start in the middle of the forehead. Work to one side, then return to the middle and match the other side. This prevents you from pushing one side back. Use your trimmers for a clean edge around the forehead, temples, and C-cups. Step 5, wave enhancement. Now make the waves the main event.